What we'll be using for this is coffee. Coffee has a lot of skin benefits. It helps to get rid of hyperpigmentation, it helps brighten up the skin, helps exfoliate the skin, and helps to reveal a brighter, softer and younger skin. Coffee here also helps to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles, which is going to help firm up your skin and also help to plump your skin. For the coffee, I'm going to make use of 2 teaspoons. The next ingredient I'll be making use of is sugar. Sugar has exfoliating properties. It helps to get rid of dead skin cells, helps to remove hyperpigmentation, also helps to unclog pores. It also helps to brighten up the skin because it removes the dead skin layers that is on the skin, and this is going to help your hands look fresher and younger, and it's also going to help reveal that bright and radiant glow. For the sugar, I'm going to use 4 teaspoons of this. You can make use of your brown sugar for this. It must not be a white sugar, so you can make use of brown sugar when making this treatment. That's my 4 teaspoons. Next ingredient I'll use for this is lemon. Lemon has excellent skin brightening properties. This is going to help get rid of sunspots or sun damage on the hands, because when the hands begins to get old, it starts having sunspots and hyperpigmentation. This is going to help brighten it up and also helps to reveal a fresher looking skin. You can make use of your store-bought lemon for this, or you can make use of a fresh lemon. For the lemon juice, I'll be adding 2 teaspoons to this. Then the next ingredient I'll be using for this is coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to moisturize the skin. It also helps to firm up the skin. This is going to help make the skin look plump, and it's also going to help get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. For the coconut oil, I'll be making use of half a teaspoon. Our next ingredient is honey, and honey here is a natural humectant. Using honey regularly on your skin is going to help make it glow, it's going to help plump it, and it's going to draw moisture from the environment to your skin. This is very good because it's not going to make the skin to wrinkle very fast, and it's going to make the skin feel very soft and plump. For the honey, I'll be making use of 1 teaspoon. Now this is what the mixture looks like. This is what we'll be using to scrub our hands. So I'll go ahead and mix this up. So I'm mixing this thoroughly to make sure that the coffee is well mixed into the sugar. This is very good. This scrub is very good. This scrub is being sold in stores, it's being sold on Amazon, and I'm just showing you an easy way that you can make it at home. Can you see the consistency? This is the consistency that we are looking for. We don't need something that is thicker or lighter than this. Before applying this, I'll give it a little stir again. Then I'll go ahead, scoop it out like this with your palm. or with your fingertips, and then just go ahead and massage it. This is very gritty on the skin and it feels good because it's also going to help circulate the blood on your hands. So I'm scrubbing this in gentle circular motion. You don't want to be rough when doing this because this is a treatment that contains physical exfoliant, which is the sugar. So this is going to be a bit rough on your skin if you are rough. Then I'll use my other hand, scoop it out again and apply it all over. See how I'm scrubbing this. So this is how you want to scrub your hands. And then don't forget your palms because you also need to have that softer looking palm that will go along with your skin. So make sure you scrub your palm very well, like what I'm showing you now. And if you have any dark area, any part that is darker than the other, so now is the time for you to go ahead and scrub it. So go ahead and scrub those knuckles. Scrub your palm. So you want to go ahead and scrub this. Scrub this on your skin for about 10 minutes before you stop. Okay, so after scrubbing this for about 10 minutes, what you want to do is you are going to leave this to sit on your skin. Okay, so don't wash it off immediately, just leave it to sit for another 15 minutes. After waiting for 15 minutes, you are going to have to scrub it again. Okay, scrub it again, and then you can go ahead and rinse. So go ahead and wash this off. And be gentle when you are washing this off as well. My skin feels so soft. So after doing this treatment, you see and feel how soft your skin will look, and it's going to look brighter. Is so nice. It's so soft, very soft. When you are washing this off, please don't make use of soap. There is no need to use soap for this. Just use only water to wash this off. This is how my hand looks. And feel so soft and refreshed, very soft and refreshed. See my palm. Try this out and you are going to love it. I want to know your result in the comment section. Let me know if you've tried this out. If you'll be trying this out, share this with your grandma, share this with your mom, your aunties. They really need to try out this remedy as well. Can you see that? Can you see that? If you liked this video and you found the video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I need your thumbs, and also share it with your friends. Okay, share it on your social media handle. And yes, don't forget to moisturize your skin after exfoliating it. So just go ahead, use a little bit of oil, any moisturizer that you have at all, you can use that to moisturize your skin. As for me, I'm making use of the Eti Frank skincare body lustrous body oil, and I'll just massage that into my skin, and it feels so soft, so soft. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a wonderful day. Bye.